was walking down the street, thinking about you again. Little moments, little things, I don't know where to begin. Walking down the street.